Hello, and welcome to Kansas City, Kansas Community College. The purpose of this video is to tell you a little bit about the KCKCC Center for Teaching Excellence. My name is Jelena Ozegovich, and I'm the Faculty Director for the Center for Teaching Excellence. I'm going to introduce you today to Tom Grady, who's the Faculty Assistant Director, and to Julian Gonzalez, who's the Coordinator for the Center for Teaching Excellence. Very briefly, we just wanted to invite you to use our services, the Center for Teaching Excellence, and to give you an idea of what it is that we do, as our entire mission is really to support faculty in their services to students in the classroom. So the mission of the Center for Teaching Excellence is to foster academic discourse specific to the craft of teaching while leveraging technology, academic assessment, and professional learning to enhance pedagogy and student learning. There are 3 pillars of service for the Center for Teaching Excellence. First, the craft of teaching. Second, academic assessment. And third, academic discourse. Each of these pillars will be briefly described. First, the craft of teaching pillar supports faculty with evidence-based, high-impact practices that are consistent with research and the scholarship of teaching and learning. Some of the programming that we have that supports this pillar is the Blue Devil Faculty Academy. We're part of the Kansas City Professional Development Council, which provides professional development programming and opportunities across the Kansas City area. We're part of the National Institute of Staff and Organizational Development, or NISOD. We belong and have had programming with the Association of College and University Educators, or ACU. We have the Henry Lewis Excellence in Teaching Award, and we also support the Teach Award, or the Teaching Excellence and Colleague Honor. In terms of the academic assessment pillar, the assessment of learning at KCKCC informs curriculum, enhances teaching, and inspires learning at the course, program, and institutional level. We truly believe that academic assessment can inform teaching, and that is why it's such an important element of our work here at the Center for Teaching Excellence. The final pillar is our academic discourse pillar. This pillar supports the creation of a community of learners who engage in academically informed discourse using critical analysis on a variety of topics. Some of the symposium series that we support is the Academic Symposium, as well as the Critical Issues series. We are located in the Learning Commons, and you can see our hours. We're open Monday through Friday, typically from 10 until 4:30 on Monday and Thursday. We have evening hours on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we're open Friday mornings. We are, of course, available to meet with faculty upon request as well, and would be happy to schedule appointments. This is some pictures from our facility. This is something that we can is available for faculty to use. We have a steel case table for webinars if faculty are interested in that, and you'll see emails come out about possible webinars. There are computers and monitors available. People are here to help you set up your Blackboard page or work with your assessment alignments. These are all things that we are happy to help you with, and we hope that you would consider using the Center for Teaching Excellence. You can see we have wonderful meeting space. We have a conference room as well, and this is all available for faculty at KCKCC. For more information, you can contact us at 288-7499, or you can email us at cte@kckcc.edu. Thank you for teaching at KCKCC, and we look forward to working with you.